Adeyemi. It was a 3-day class, and sincerely it blew my mind out. I did not expect what I got here for. I got so much more for what we paid for. So now I'm exposed to a lot of new techniques, a lot of new ways to do things, and a lot of new recipes. It's so interesting. If I could do this all over again, I would definitely do it. Sincerely, I can't believe the day is coming to an end.
You have to cut it. Okay, hi, my name is Daniel. Glass Slipper Home Bakes, GS Home Bakes on Instagram, and the class was fantastic. It was ridiculously practical. Like, we did everything from scratch, and it wasn't just, we weren't just copying the teacher. She encouraged us to sort of explore our creative tendencies. So we're creating things, we're learning techniques that were useful while still, you know, being able to create in our own ways. So it was fantastic. It was value for money. Like one of those trainings that you do and you're wondering, because I need my change back. Actually, honestly felt like I feel like I owe her some money. So like she was very open with everything. She poured out her knowledge. She wasn't stingy with her recipes. Don't ask me for recipes. But she wasn't stingy with her recipes. She wasn't stingy with her vendors. It was fantastic. Thank you.
I am Erica. So this for me was amazing. It's my first time in a classroom. I'm a brand new baker, so even if you are out there and you're thinking, you might take that step, I think you should. You learn from the scratch and you learn from the best. So it has been fantastic.